Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in Singapore. Feel free to leave a comment letting me know which building or landmark you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today's location we find in Bukit Panjang. We are flying over the Zhenghua Nature Park today. Let's enjoy the view. Zhenghua Nature Park, located in Bukit Panjang, Singapore, is a tranquil green space that serves as a buffer for the nearby Central Catchment Nature Reserve. Spanning approximately 13.5 hectares, the park offers a serene retreat for nature enthusiasts, fitness lovers, and families, blending recreational activities with the conservation of Singapore's natural heritage. The park is known for its diverse flora and fauna, making it a popular spot for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. Visitors might encounter species such as the olive-backed sunbird, collared kingfisher, and various butterflies that thrive in this well-maintained ecosystem. Mature trees and carefully planted vegetation provide shade and enhance the park's biodiversity. Zhenghua Nature Park features a network of walking and cycling trails that wind through its lush greenery, offering an excellent space for outdoor exercise. The trails are well paved, making them suitable for visitors of all ages and fitness levels. Along the routes, exercise stations and fitness corners provide opportunities for strength training and stretching. The park is also equipped with a children's playground, making it a family-friendly destination. One of the highlights of the park is its connectivity to other green spaces in Singapore. It is part of the Park Connector network, linking to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve and Dairy Farm Nature Park, among other locations. This makes it an ideal starting or ending point for longer outdoor adventures. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.